So I want to show you something that no one is talking about the new plasticity update. And there are a few different updates, but I just want to show you something really cool what you can do now. So I have this model here that, I have modeled some time ago, right? So you see, we have this human base mesh, right? So like this organic female head. But back then, before this new update, you had to get like an OBJ file somewhere, then you had to convert it to CAD, then you had to bring it in. That was so much hassle, and also you see the topology is like very complex, right? So you still can work with that, as you see, but what you can do now, what I will show you in a second, is so powerful, and you can do everything inside of plasticity, and then you can create really cool concepts like that, for example, where you combine like hard surface with organic. And what you can do now is, so let me show it to you. So you can do convert now OBJ to polysplines, like to CAD. And it's like very technical. I will just show it to you. It will make much more sense. So for example, you can go here on CG Trader and type in like female head. So I'm just picking something for free now just to show it to you. And you have to try a few different ones out, because some are like not really high quality. So you have to download a few, or better buy a few, where you see the topology, where you see that you only have quartz and like very good quality. But I just found this one here. So link in the description, so you can just download that for free and check it out. Oh, and by the way, like this new polyspline feature that I will show you is only available in the studio version. So here you see we have a head, and it looks like it's not even quad everywhere. So you even have like triangles, and you see it's not super clean, but it still works, and this is like absolutely incredible. So the better the mesh, the easier and the better it will work. But you will even see if even the mesh is like a little bit messy and not perfect, it still works. So you can just download that, right? And then open the new plasticity version. Let me here create a new file. Just make sure that you're on 26.1. Once you have your base mesh here downloaded, just drag the OBJ file into plasticity and just press OK. And now you see this looks super messy and weird, but now you can just select this object, and if you type in now F and type in polysplines, you have now this command polysplines, and bam, it's just in like 2 seconds converted to look to absolutely perfect topology. And the most crazy thing is, so okay, let me just bring it here to the middle. Now you see, you can use this object to do stuff. But also just one more tip, because you see it's a sheet, but if you want to do this type of stuff, it's much better if you work with like a full solid object. So what you would have to do is, because you see the eyes are open, and what you can do is you press 2 for edge mode, and you just loop select, so Alt Shift click, and just patch this hole. And do it here as well. You just patch it, and you just go all over. So also here in the inside, you see where the mouth thing is. You can also just close it and close it. And when you think everything is closed, but it's still not an object, so a solid object, what you can do, another tip is, you select this body and you press F and type in find boundary edges, because then you see like those little yellow, so it basically shows you here in the ears where you have the holes, right? So again, then you just select those holes and patch them again. And once you patched everything, bam, now you have a solid object. And now you can do whatever you want. So you can create like a line, right? And you can just, so it's just like an example here, bam, create like a line and press C, cut into your body and cut it. And if you select the object mode, then this piece is extra, right? So then you can start to, select here those faces. And then you can start to extrude that. Bam, and you have like a plate. So obviously it's like super basic. Or you want to separate the mouth, I don't know, and add some mechanism in the inside, something like that. So you can just cut it, select this piece, bring it out, right, and have some separations and all that kind of stuff. And then obviously with some time and creative energy and fun, you can create something like that. So this is super cool in plasticity. And one more important thing. So I'm thinking about now to create like some mech sci-fi concept course. And let me know if you're interested to create something like that, where we just take like a base form, just the torso and the head, and just smash it like full with detail, with like the spine details, and create some really cool concept, maybe even something like that. Or if you prefer something more like a traditional like mech, right, with something like that. So I started already here to just create here the blockout shape, right? So let me know if you want something like a traditional mech, or if you prefer to learn how to create something like a humanoid torso or something like that. So both is really cool and fun. And if you're interested to check out Plasticity, you can just go to the website, try it for free, 30 days, or if you want to buy it, you can go here to buy. And again, like this new version that I showed you is in the studio version. If you again want to buy it, you can save even 10% with the code Nikita on both of those versions. So just if you want to buy it, you can type it in here into the discount and just type in Nikita and you save 10 additional %. So let me know down in the comments if you want like a traditional military mech or like a humanoid torso concept, something like that. And if a lot of people are interested in, then there might be a really cool next course. So leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss my next free tutorials. And see you. Bye.